Okay, it's been about 2 weeks since I started the bus. It's mighty chilly out here. Not super chilly by most standards, but it's about 40 something. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a tripod and record the start because sometimes it's been a bit rough. Well, that wasn't so bad. It started right up. I always do a thing when it's cold where I'll crank it for a bit and let it puff. Not too long. I'll just wait till it's puffing a bit because that is attempting to make heat. And then I'll shut it off and I'll wait about 30 seconds, maybe a minute, to let that heat from the partially burned diesel warm the cylinders a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and try it again. And that's what you saw. I cranked it, let it puff a little bit, stopped, let it soak, and then went back to cranking, and it just fired right off. It's 39 degrees right now. Thanks for watching. There was no issues. Sometimes it's been starting and doing this kind of rough running, and that's why I recorded it. Maybe another time. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing.